Okay, the next step is gonna be, what if, the Saturday detention happened and we wanna make sure they get recorded that they were served. What I'm gonna do now is step 2, and I would do this anytime after, obviously, the Saturday that it's been served. I'm gonna go in and pull up the Saturday detention document, and mine is right here. You'll have to get your hands on this, for the most recent one, of that year. Now, what I'm going to do is just go into the particular month. You're going to see here some information. For example, if we were thinking on 1 year back on September 28th, Alexandra served detention. So you would take note of that. For our purposes, let's go back to here. Let's say that I went and served my detention. So what I personally like to do, I like to put serve, the date that it was. Let's say it was 9/28, or let's say I served it on September 11th. Fine, it came through. Now, how many hours were served? I served 1 hour. And you're going to notice what just happened. Total hours done just changed, and the flag went to done. You're going to see all this date information is done because the person has completed their detention. If the office clears it instead, what they would do typically, maybe it just says office cleared. And just to know the difference, I would just put it in here. It would clear it out. If they were suspended, you could do that too, just a different way to manage it. So that's how you would record a detention. And that's really all that you need to do for it. Now, be careful. What if a student didn't serve all of the hours? Obviously, if like this initial record here had 2 hours to serve, if this person only served one, I would put that in there, and you're going to notice this stuff changed. Now, I will tell you, the initial formulas here were for last year's form, so that's why it's not working. But let me go back here and just show you an example. What if my initial detention, I'm going to just overwrite it, was 3 hours? Okay, fine. It was 3 hours. I came in and I only served 1 hour. So, 9/11 served 1 hour, however you want to say it. It now says I still have 2 hours left to serve. Um, if I had served it on 9/11, now I have 9/18 to come on in and serve my next 2 hours. And that's how you would go ahead and record when hours are served.